can I help you today, sir? To the window, changing my battery.
Yeah, no problem. Let me get a...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Pepper packet. Do you guys sell those individually?
Okay, so I either just made the most useless app ever or the most useful app, depending on how you look at it. Do you guys remember that about a year ago, there was this trend going on YouTube where people would go to like the drive-thru and let the person in front of them decide what to eat? So then I thought, okay, what if instead of having a person decide what you eat, we have a program decide what we eat? And you probably think to yourself, like, why would we do that? And honestly, just because I can. Now, I don't necessarily want to go ahead and take my laptop everywhere, right? I don't want to take my laptop to the restaurant and like stand there using the robot, using the bot that I made to actually choose what to eat. So then I thought, okay, well, how do we make it mobile? So then obviously a mobile app, right? But I want to actually go ahead and be able to share this with people that watch the video. So I thought, okay, instead of that, let me actually build a web app. So if you want, you can actually use it right now. If you go to alfredo.lol/feedme and stick around to the end of the video, because we're actually gonna go ahead and use this thing. We're gonna go to different restaurants and we're gonna go ahead and have it choose for us, like literally go with it and have it choose for us what to get from the menu. But of course, first I gotta show you how I made it. Now, making the program itself wasn't difficult. It was actually pretty straightforward. But I took this opportunity to go ahead and refresh on my front end dev skills. So I actually built the front end using React and the back end using Django. So if you actually go to alfredo.lol/feedme, you're greeted with this page. Now, I know it's not the most amazing design ever. We're not gonna win any design awards whatsoever by any means, but bear with me, okay? I made a UI in like 10 minutes. That's not the important part, okay? But let me show you how it works real quick, right? So for example, let's say we wanna go to a restaurant. Let's go over to, I guess, Chick-fil-A. We go to Chick-fil-A, right? Now for the category, you could choose any item you want, right? Instead of like giving you a random item right away, you could actually have some freedom here and choose what do you want.
Okay, yo, I'm interrupting the video a little bit because yesterday I thought, okay, having the option to choose yourself, like choosing yourself what option you want, it's kind of defeat the purpose of like getting a random order because you're kind of choosing what you want. So then what I did yesterday is I actually added a button. There's now a surprise me button, if you can see up there. So the surprise me item is just like you would expect. It gives you a random item, but now you have no choice. So it's whatever is in that restaurant menu.
Do you want a popular item? Do you want an entree? Do you want sides? What do you want? Let's go with a popular item. So you press on popular item, and there you go. It gives you a random item. It's completely random. And then up here, if you actually wanted to, you could actually go ahead and choose a different item. So you could go new, and then go to like different items, right? To get the stuff. Now, making this thing wasn't super amazing. Like it wasn't like, wow, you know, like it's super difficult. Again, it's a relatively simple app. It's just choosing a random item from a list. But the hardest part of building this thing was actually getting the data, because like, where do you get this data from? Like I need the data to be able to obviously know what items there is in the list. And if you go back to the beginning here, you'll see that there's actually, like you could choose from many different restaurants. You could actually even go ahead and search for a restaurant. Like if you go to like, I don't know, Jack in the Box, for example, like that, and it gives you the items for that. And again, you could go for, I don't know, let's go for Jack's Deals, and it gives you an actual item, right? So there's obviously two ways of going about this, right? I could actually go ahead and go to different restaurants, like predetermined restaurants that I want to go ahead and actually order from, and just go into there and sit there and copy and paste every single item and get images for everything. Or obviously I could be a little bit smarter about it and make a web scraping program that just scrapes all the items and puts them into a database. But I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to sit there and do that for a bunch of different restaurants. And as you can see, I have a really good list of restaurants here. So then what do we do? So if you're into web dev, or I guess if you know how things actually work, you could actually just think of an API, right? So if you're familiar with an API is an application programming interface. All it is a way for you to communicate with different services. In this case, we will need a service that gives us data, like restaurant data, like different restaurants and their menu as well. So then obviously the next thing I did is I looked for an API. But surprisingly, even though I expected to find something really quickly, there's nothing out there that's actually really good, to my surprise, for restaurants that you could find to just plug and play, with the exception of like the paid stuff, because I didn't actually try those stuff. But I don't want to pay 2 cents per API call. Like I just don't want to do that. Okay, well, I can't find a free API that I could use, and I'm not gonna sit there and scrape everything. So what do? Well, I borrowed some data. This is DoorDash. Now, this video is not sponsored by DoorDash because my views. But I figured I might as well talk about it because I'm using their data anyway. So like, you know. Okay, so obviously, right, you go in here, you go to DoorDash and you put in a zip code, and it'll like, obviously, like it'll, you know, it'll load, it'll do this thing, it's loading, and ta-da. Okay, so I was like, okay, well, actually, obviously DoorDash has this information that we need, so let's just kind of borrow the information, just take it from them, just for a little bit, just borrow it. Now, as you might imagine, it's not as straightforward to actually just go ahead and take information from a different place like this, but it's not like super difficult. So I want to go ahead and run you through it and tell you exactly how I did it. So there's this thing called man-in-the-middle proxy, Mittempt proxy. So as you might already know, whenever you make a request on a website or an app or something, the app has to actually make a request to a server somewhere and get data back or send data to it. So what man-in-the-middle proxy allows you to do is actually go ahead and set up a man-in-the-middle. So that's where the name comes from, man-in-the-middle proxy. Basically, it's a way for you to intercept traffic coming from the app to the server. You're kind of in the middle and you kind of intercept that traffic, you know? And doing that basically allows us to see all the traffic that's outgoing from the app and then coming back to you. Now, obviously, that's way too easy. That's not necessarily the way it works. There's one more thing. There's this thing called SSL pinning, which basically is just a way for the server to confirm that the data being sent from the app is actually coming from the app itself and not some random source somewhere else. So there's this really cool tool that's actually called Frida. The site's actually called frida.re. So Frida basically is just a way for you to actually go ahead and mess with the runtime library of different apps, which is really cool because using Frida and Objection, we could actually go ahead and bypass SSL pinning and see the traffic that's going out from the app itself. And once we have that information, that's the information we need. We could actually just go ahead and reverse engineer the API and see what calls do what, and then just go ahead and use that information in our own app. Okay, that's enough nerd talk. Now let's actually go use this thing. Okay, so one thing before this starts, I'm gonna let you know that what we're gonna do is gonna go to like the different restaurants and actually get what it gives us. So there is no like second chance, right? It's if that's what it gave us, that's what we're getting. There's not like press a new button and get something else. We're going with that and we're sticking with that.
And how can I help you today? Sorry for the wait. I'll change my battery.
Yeah, no problem. Let me get a
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
pepper packet. Do you guys sell those individually?
I'm sorry, what was that again?
A pepper packet?
Apple packets?
A packet of pepper.
Yeah, we have individual pepper packets.
Okay, can I get that, please?
That's all you want?
Yeah, I guess that's all I want.
Go ahead and pull to the first window.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
A pepper packet? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. She legit looked at me like, oh, like, you're the pepper packet guy. Like, who the f orders that on the drive-thru? So yeah, in case you missed it, that's what I got. It told me to get a pepper packet. So I got a pepper packet. And I think part of this thing, part of going out to get different types of food is actually trying it. So I'm gonna try the pepper packet, I guess. Tastes like pepper. Like always, Chick-fil-A is freaking full. We're at Chick-fil-A now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that Chick-fil-A option up. There we go. And we're gonna go with the surprise me. We're gonna go with the surprise me option again once I get there. So we'll see. I swear I have not ate anything today at all, and all I have is pepper packets. Like, the point of this was, yesterday was Thanksgiving, and the point of this was to come here, like not to eat, or to eat like very minimally, even though it was Thanksgiving, you know, we had food. The point was, spill pepper all over the place. The point was not to like, to pig out, and then so I could have hunger, and all I got was pepper packets in the front one, and I'm hungry, bro. So like, hopefully, I don't think the Chick-fil-A menu has condiments, so hopefully it doesn't. Okay, thank you. Hopefully the Chick-fil-A menu doesn't have any condiments. Let me check real quick, actually. It has sauces at the bottom. There's the option for sauces. So hopefully I don't get a bottle of sauce. I've seen they're like 8 ounces sauce bottles. So you get like, you know how Chick-fil-A has sauces? You get like an ounce, like an 8-ounce bottle of sauce, bro. I don't want sauce. After Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna try to go to different places because I want to make this kind of a thing where maybe places I haven't tried. So I'll probably go to different places. There is a Cheesecake Factory around here somewhere. I know that, and I don't really go there. I've gone there like once in my life. So I'll probably go there and get a random menu from there too, so that'd be cool.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Can I get your name?
Alfredo?
Alberto?
Alfredo with an F?
Alfredo, I'm sorry.
Yeah, like the pasta?
I'll have you pull forward from Alfredo.
Yeah, for sure.
And how are you serving today?
Let me get a
No! God, please, no! An 8-ounce honey mustard sauce, please. And that's it. These are like big bottles, right? That's what they are?
Yeah, it's like squeezable bottle. Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Oh, it's pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty
Like this?
So you just like randomly wait if there's like a food item?
Well, it tells you what to get. So like I made an app that tells you like from the menu like what to get.
Oh.
But like I'm hoping to get food.
Does it usually like give you food?
It's completely random, so that's the thing.
That's so random.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good day.
You too. And the funniest thing is that I called it. Like I called it before it happened. I said I hope I don't get an 8-ounce bottle because I was at the bottom, right? That's again the surprising button gives you a completely random item every time from the menu. So you don't choose whether you want an entree or a sandwich, whatever they have the options. It just tells you what it gives you the item itself. Also, I'm really thirsty, so hopefully the next one I get. I'm gonna try Cheesecake Factory. I think it's over there, and if it's not there, I'll go somewhere else. But if it is there, no, it's not even here. I don't even think it's this mall. Yep.
Here you go.
Thank you. You too. 8 ounce of honey mustard. Here it is. You know, on a good note, I actually like honey mustard, so it's not like I'm killing myself, but I'm hungry, bro. I'm not gonna get nutrition out of a honey mustard bottle. It's good. Okay, so as it turns out, I was right. There is a Cheesecake Factory right over there. So when I go at it, and I haven't checked the menu yet, but I hope that there is. I'm hoping there is no condiment section, bro, because I'm hungry. So looking at the menu for it. Okay, so there's an add to your order section, which I'm guessing is like extra stuff. Let me see what that is. Napkins and utensils. Okay, bro, I don't want napkins and utensils. Let's see what I get. I do not want that section. Hopefully, fingers crossed that doesn't happen. Hey man, how's it going?
I can help you.
Give me a second, please. What is that?
That's our wine, but we're not doing like.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay.
We just don't do no alcohol beverages right now.
Okay, no problem. Got the same thing twice. Okay. That's a beer too? That's a beer?
We're not doing no to-go alcohol beverages.
No, I don't know what it is. That's what I'm asking. Yeah.
Pearl
Okay.
has a beer.
Just give me a second, please.
Let me help her out.
Yeah, go for it. You want to go ahead and go? So I keep getting alcoholic beverages, which they're not doing. Okay. Can I get the kids grilled chicken, please? I might do. So let's check this order out. Let's see if this food is good. Like I said, I've been to, what is this, bread? Got some bread in here. I've been to the Cheesecake Factory once, and I got a mac and cheese burger. By far the worst burger I've ever had in my life. It's just, I don't know if it's a burger, it just wasn't good. So you have like a little chicken here. You have some broccoli and some mashed potatoes. I don't dislike any of this, so I'll eat it, no problem. I know people dislike broccoli, that's like a thing, right? I like everything in here, so it should be good. Let's see. Some chicken in there. Looks properly cooked, that's good. That's some bomb ass chicken, yo. Oh, you know what? You know what makes it even better, bro? If I add some pepper on it for my pepper package. The chicken is bomb. This is some bomb ass chicken. It's gonna be kind of gross, but what if you add some of this mustard honey sauce on there, on that chicken? I mean, I put too much. I mean, that's what it is, right? That's what Chick-fil-A is. You get chicken and you put your sauces on it, so I don't know why it wouldn't be any good. Look at that right there. Oh, that's good. Oh, that was hard. Okay, so one thing I didn't get with my order was something to drink, which I need right now, bro. After that bread, that thing was hard as hell. So I need to go ahead and get something. And I was scrolling through the app here, and I came across this place called what's it called? Where is it? Oh, Tastia, right here. As you see right there. Tastia. I need a drink. Yeah, so it's called Tastia. And I looked it up, and it's It's like down that way somewhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that because it looks like a drink place. What's interesting is that usually if I came to a place I don't know, I would be looking at the menu. But since I have this, I don't need to look at the menu, which is kind of cool, I guess, in that sense. If you're new to a place, you can just come here and then just go ahead and surprise me every single time. Hello.
Hi, how's your day today?
How's your day going? Good?
Oh, good. How about you?
Good, good. Thank you for asking. Let me get a jasmine sunrise, please.
Oh, yeah, jasmine sunrise?
Yeah.
What size would you like?
And that's it.
Okay, the 20 ounce or 32 ounce?
I'm sorry?
Oh, the 20 ounce or the 32 ounce?
20 ounce, please.
Alright. Any sweetness adjustments or boba add-ons?
Oh, you have boba?
Yeah,
let me get some boba. That'd be awesome.
Yeah. You want the honey boba or just the regular boba?
Honey boba.
Alright. Anything else for today?
No, that's it.
Okay, do you have a name for your order?
Alfredo.
Alfredo.
I just opened out something I just saw. Look at this. It's obviously, right? Because we're using the app. I know it's on DoorDash. And then not only is this place also on DoorDash, I don't know if it's open. Oh, that's me. This one? Thank you. You too. So like I was saying, not only is this place with DoorDash, but also this place over here. Maybe I should just come in here and get some dessert, just for the heck of it. So let's just go in here real quick. Oh, you guys on DoorDash?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's this place called? So for whatever reason, I can't find the place. Give me a second. Either that or I just completely butchered the name. And this is a possibility. I actually noticed this before, so it's called Cake Corner. Okay, let me see. That maybe not everything is on here. I hope that's not the option choice. Oh, there it is. Cake Corner with a K. Got it, that's the one. So I was like, okay, well, I mean, it's a DoorDash API, so if they're on DoorDash, this should be on here, but for whatever reason it wasn't, so that's the one. Okay, there you go. Let's go back inside. Let me get that. Okay, so it was in there, which is like what I expect, right? Because I'm using the DoorDash API, like their internal API. So if the data, like, obviously if they're on DoorDash, it should be on the app itself, which it was. I just couldn't find it because at first I thought it was called something else. I saw Indian Cafe and I thought, okay, that's the name, but that's not it. That was the name. I completely missed it. It's in huge red letters and I missed it somehow. So I got a gobi Manchurian wrap. I have no idea what that is. If you do, I guess kind of leave. I mean, I'll find out in a few minutes, but I have no idea. It sounds like food, which I went in there because it looked like desserts. Like I see desserts, I see like cakes and stuff. So I thought, okay, well, I have my lunch or my dinner, whatever it is at this time now. It's like, it's about 5 p.m. right now. So I had my dinner. Now let me have a dessert. But I think I might have gotten more food. So we'll see. Oh, it's bomb. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to shake it, but it's pretty good. Oh, I'm sorry, very sorry. Go ahead.
It looked like you were taking, so I didn't want to interrupt.
You're good, thank you.
The car next to me was waiting for me to like move, and I had no idea they were even there. I'm just here recording. So while I'm waiting on the, oh, sorry, go ahead. So while I'm waiting, I noticed that at the very beginning at the homepage of the app, because it is like just popular or national favorites items, at the very bottom, like if I scroll down to the very bottom here, there is a CVS option. It's kind of hard to see, but that one at the corner there without a picture is the CVS option. So I thought it might be really cool to kind of go to the CVS and like just get a random item from the CVS itself, and then we kind of have to go around and look for it, obviously, because no one's gonna give it to us. But I think that might be cool to do. So I think for the very end of this, we're gonna go do that. I'm just waiting for my order up here. I'm waiting for whatever I got, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to get something from the CVS. Should be kind of fun. Just kind of end things here. Oh, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Guess what I just did? I locked myself out of my car. My keys are inside the car, and I'm outside the car, yo. Camera's on. My keys are right there, mother. And all my shit is in there. Look, my camera's right there. So I'm gonna have to. I just ordered an Uber. I'm gonna go ahead and get my key, my extra keys. So I got my spare key. Now I'm going back. So we're back. My stuff is still in there. Look at that. My camera was recording this whole time. So maybe I'll see some cool footage in there. Alright, yo, so as you know, I left my keys inside, but we're good. We're inside now. My battery is at super damn low, so I think because of that, that's the end of this video. Like, we're done with it. One thing, again, I did get this thing before my
my stupid mistake. So what is this? Okay, it's still warm. That's nice. Okay, it's like a wrap. It actually is food. It's not like a dessert. It's actually food. This place here is like Little India. So there's a lot of like Indian restaurants around here, and I love Indian spices, like how pungent they are, like with the food, you know. It's like the best. How like strong they are. I love it, and this is no exception. I don't know what it is, but it's amazing. Like I can taste all the spices. My mouth is watering. I love how pungent the spices are. All right, guys. So because of that, I guess I'm not going to CVS because my battery is about to die. I can see it. Okay, so I lied. I'm already coming back, and I see a CVS on my way. So I was like, I'm already here. You might as well go do it. So let's just go do it. All right. So what are we getting? We're getting what the hell is that? Cough syrup? What do I need cough syrup for? It just kind of seems wasteful. Like, I mean, I guess I'm getting whatever it's telling me to. Excuse me, where do I find cough syrup?
Cough syrup should be in around 9 or 10.
Alright, thank you.
For medicine or?
Yeah, that's what it is, right?
Oh, sorry.
I'm looking for this.
I'm sorry.
I'm looking for that.
Sorry, it's baby. Oh.
Yeah, baby
Okay.
cough syrup.
I don't know what else in syrup is sure.
Okay, yeah, no problem. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So I'm looking for natural grape. Okay, so I swear I don't see it. I'm pretty sure it's one of these here, but which is kind of good because honestly I don't want to buy cough syrup. Like I feel like that's wasteful. Where am I getting medicine? Okay, so I'm saying, what the hell? Dark honey, and elderberry. Okay, we're going with another item. Okay, and it's not that I'm not buying it, it's that it's not here. But honestly, I don't think I would buy it anyways. I think I would back out on this one. Let's just go ahead. Oh wait, we're going back. We're going with the random item. Okay, surprise me. Core Hydration, 1.3 liters. What the hell is that? Are you available? Where do I find this? Yeah.
What's the core hydration? I'm not sure about that one.
Or hydration?
Yeah, what is that?
That's what it's called?
That's what it's called. C-O-R-E, hydration?
Hydration is the Pedialyte.
Okay, what aisle is that?
Let me see. Right here. All this is for hydration.
I think maybe it's under drinks. Where do you guys have your drinks at?
Let me see what it's called.
It's called core hydration.
Core hydration. Oh, okay, yeah.
That's what I'm thinking it is. Oh, is this it? Right here? Core hydration. Oh, it's a water. Okay, got it.
Water.
Thank you.
Does it say hydration?
Yeah, it says hydration right on the side right there.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I thought it might.
Water.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Okay, so it's water, and I thought it would maybe under the drink section, just because if you see right there under the selection, it says drinks, so it's a drink item. So it's well, I mean, I can't go wrong with water. I guess I'm getting water, and the only reason I didn't get the other one is honestly because I couldn't find it, but I didn't want to get it, so that's what I'm getting. $2.89 for this big ass water. Is there any smaller one? It was 1.5 liters, I think. 1.3 liters. All right, 1.3 liters. So that's it. Okay. Core hydration, bro. Awesome. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I might do. So I got my core hydration water. I've never tasted this. I mean, it's water, you know, but sometimes waters have like different kinds of tastes. So let's try it anyways. And yeah, again, the only reason I didn't get the medicines because honestly I couldn't find it. It was like thyme something grape that wasn't there. I just didn't see it anywhere. So that's why I didn't get it. But honestly, I would feel like a dick getting medicine that I don't need anyways. So water is fine. I'm more happy with that. I don't think I would have gone with it anyways, even though it's the point of the video to go with whatever the app gives you. I wouldn't have done it. It's just, what am I gonna use medicine for? It's like, I don't need baby medicine. I don't need baby cough syrup, you know? Okay, get some of my core hydration, bros. That's it. And I don't know if the thing was sealed at all. It's just open and like the cap comes with it. Okay, it looks like it was sealed. It's water. I mean, what do you expect, bro? It's water. It's core hydration, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was really cool just to go around and see like different like places and try food, you know. The first two, obviously the first two were not amazing. They were not good, but from there on everything was really, really good, so I really enjoyed it. And if you like it, let me know. Like, go down, comment below, you know. If you like it, subscribe, you know. Subscribe, like the video, share it, you know. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm just making programs and like doing things that I think might be dumb or just cool at the same time. So that's why I built this, and hopefully I can come up with more ideas and build more stuff, you know, like build more apps, more programs, and it's just kind of use them. I just think it's really fun, and I'm trying to make this channel in such a way where the stuff I put out is stuff that I like, stuff that I want to see, like stuff that I wish I would see like in other channels. So this stuff you're gonna see is just me pumping out content that I like, stuff that I think it's cool, you know, that I wish someone would build. So I'm just building it all myself. And I was thinking maybe like if this video has a good response, we could do something like doing the same thing using the app, but for local businesses, you know. So like for small businesses, not really just like big places. Like I think this cake corner place, I think it's a local place, so it's really cool to support local places, you know. So we could just go around and like try different foods of places I haven't tried before that and support local businesses. All right, dude, see you next time.